is Deutsche Bank able to escape some of these big losses that we're seeing at Nomura and at Credit Suisse?
It's all about speed. That's the name of the game, Anne-Marie, because you'll recall on Friday when Goldman Sachs, for example, had these big block trades that hit during market hours, which is really rare for the size that they are. It somewhat spooks the market. It means these stocks fall more. So if you're still holding on to them, you're going to crystallize some pretty significant losses if you wait to sell. So this is a fantastic scoop from the Bloomberg banking team led by Stephen Eros, saying that Deutsche Bank was able to do a big sale on Friday, so the same day we saw those block trades from Goldman, of about $4 billion. We don't know everyone who they sold it to, but we do know hedge fund Marshall Wace, the behemoth in Europe, was one of the ones who bought here. And if anything, this raises more questions about Credit Suisse and Nomura. Why weren't they able to sell as quickly? Why did they wait? Why did they have such significant losses? Does it have to do with perhaps the size of what they were holding or their relationship with Bill Hwang? Either way, good timing for Deutsche Bank because they're actually in the middle of transferring their prime brokerage service to BNP in a sale that was first finalized in 2019.
Yeah, it also comes down to, Dani, what quality of security you have been given. Because if the quality and the liquidity of the stock that you're holding on your book is lower than everybody else's, I assure you it's hard to get away a liquid stock in a tumbling market. Now, all of this will bring us round to the SEC. They are looking at initiating another investigation. What is the scope of that investigation, Dani?
So we already heard from sources that had told us that the SEC was looking into a reported phone call that the banks held together before all of these block sales. This latest one we've heard they're looking into Bill Hwang himself. This isn't unusual. This tends to happen after a big market event. So we don't know whether this will lead to anything. Still, just looking at the nature of this fire sale.